Welcome back. An important part of Lunar New Year celebrations is, of course, food. While every culture dishes up a different specialty, dumplings are often seen as a sign of prosperity and good fortune.
So to give us a lesson on how to actually make them, we welcome Jasper and Ling from Lilong by Taste of Shanghai restaurant. Good morning to both of you.
Hello, good morning.
Jasper.
Hi, guys.
First of all, what goes into a dumpling filling?
Oh,
yes, as you can see here, we use pork mince, Chinese chives, and some chopped shallot, ginger, and seasonings.
I'm hungry already.
Is it hard to make them? Show us how it's done.
Making dumplings?
Yeah.
Yes, and do you want me to tell you what's the pinky color here?
Oh, yeah. So why is it pink?
Yes, why is it pink? It's from the Ling's recipe.
Yeah. Okay.
It's a beetroot, from the beetroot juice.
Oh, right.
Yeah, we make it special to celebrate the Chinese New Year, so we thought probably we give some color.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Okay, yes.
So how do we make them?
Yes, shall we start?
Let's.
Yes.
Oh, do you want us to do it?
Yes, right, Trevor.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we can do it.
Yeah, he's very good in the kitchen.
Come in. Yeah.
This is the finished product here, by the way.
Yes.
Okay.
Finished product?
No, you can.
You go.
No, you. Yeah. He's much better than me. Oh, what?
You don't have to ask me twice.
Yeah, so that's a wrapper.
Yep.
And yeah, Ling also we can make one.
So does this colour have special meaning, or it's just celebration?
Yes, for celebrations.
Okay.
Usually it's like a bright red for the celebrating the Chinese New Year, but we thought this maybe more natural. So from the beetroot juice, yes, it's
that's
natural
perfect,
and healthier, I think.
Yeah, so no colouring. That's good.
Yes, right.
Okay.
And so yeah, Ling, you can have one spoon, and Shovel, you can have one spoon here.
So just remind us what's in this mix.
It's pork and chives.
Okay.
So pork and Chinese chive.
Delicious.
Yeah. So the wrapper we're making is not too big, so probably it's better to not put too much.
So it doesn't
Yep.
burst.
Yes.
So about half a teaspoon.
Yeah, half teaspoon should be okay.
Yeah. Oh, this is
There
going
we
to be
go.
interesting
That looks
to watch
good.
Sherbo,
Yes.
isn't it?
Okay.
Jasper?
Yeah, right.
Anyone can do it, right?
Yes. And we
Except me.
Go. Yes.
You can do
What
it.
does he do next?
Oh, okay.
and folding to half.
Yep.
Yeah.
Like a half moon
Yeah.
shape.
So it's a more normal and regular way to make it. Set
Yeah.
and press firmly.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. And we're making some pleats.
Some pleats.
Pleats, yeah,
Okay,
like a folding dimples. Yeah, pleats.
Yes.
So more pleats we make, and the happier the pleats dumpling we can have.
Okay.
So happier dumpling.
Let's get in
Oh,
your...
right. Oh, so get as many pleats as you can.
Yes,
Okay.
right. More
Okay.
pleats and looks more professional.
Oh.
Yeah. So
how do we do it?
So I do it.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, you can do it. So we can push from the
the
one
end
yes
in.
Side in.
yeah corner, and
good.
Yeah.
press
Okay.
it.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
this
And
could
also
take a
for
while
this
with
side.
Sherbo doing it.
Oh, is that a hair? Sorry, that might be mine.
Just Sherbo. Oh, come on.
Okay, so while I'm doing this, how do we cook and for how long?
Then we press here
Yeah.
Yep.
to finish it.
Okay,
Down
maybe
there.
we'll cook yours,
Yeah, you can do this
Jasper,
way.
while he
Okay.
finishes his.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
we
think I'll do
make
this.
some,
You think?
please, see?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
So, yeah, probably,
Yours is pretty good, actually.
we make like a airtight sealed, so it won't come apart
Yeah.
when we're cooking.
It's sealed.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
And that's because you
Okay.
don't want all the funky stuff hanging out on the boiling
And
water,
also we
right?
can use a little bit of water to like moisten it.
Right,
Yes.
now how long
That's
do we cook
pretty
it for,
good.
Jasper?
After water boiling, so we can put a little bit dripping of the oil to
Yes.
get like preventing the sticking together. So I already
And
like.
then how long would you cook for?
It's about 5 to 6 minutes.
Oh,
After
okay.
water boiling,
Yes.
we can just stir
Okay, and then we
into
can
the
have a
water.
taste. So are these ones
Yes.
ready, are they? These
Yes,
ones
they
that
are
you
ready to
prepared earlier?
eat.
So how about I just take control of the tasting
Yes,
shop?
Yeah,
right.
go for it.
These ones are ready, are they?
Yeah, they are ready.
So-
I'm just double-checking
and
it's
I
not
can check
falling
my
apart,
oil.
Ling.
Is
Yeah.
this the chili oil?
Yeah, there's chili oil and this is vinegar. So usually
I love
we
the
go
chili. Can I have the chili?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, yum. That
We
looks so
serve
good.
a chili oil at the restaurant.
This is a
Oh,
bonus.
do you?
Yes,
Okay.
Again,
yes,
so I've just
yes.
got to like lean in.
Fantastic.
Yes.
Jasper, Ling, thank you so much. Happy New Year.
Happy
How
New
will you
Year.
celebrate yourselves?
I think we're going to very busy tonight, so we're going to run our restaurant, and you can also, so everybody can also join us. It's a kids shop at Macquarie Center. So next week, Monday and Tuesday.
Okay.
So we're going to demonstrate making dumplings.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah, so everybody welcome.
So you can do what we just did. There you go.
Yes,
Thank you so
yes.
much.
Thank you
Happy
so
New Year.
much.
You can
Okay.
find the full recipe and more information about Lunar New Year celebrations at the Dex's Managed Macquarie Shopping Centre on our website.